Hi there, it's Rich and Mike from drumhead.com and welcome to another of our bite-sized lessons. Please remember, if you do like what you see, to like and subscribe. This lesson today is a paradiddle fill, okay, and it's a fairly straightforward paradiddle fill, but I'll let Rich go over how it works.
Okay guys, as Mike said, we're going to turn a paradiddle into a simple fill. This is really effective, and it's actually quite simple to play. It's just a case of moving a couple of the notes around the drums, and then it creates that nice kind of feel in the fill. As we know, the paradiddle is, or I say as we know, some of you will know that the paradiddle is right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. So that's the basic sticking pattern of a single paradiddle. Right, left, right, right, left, right, left, left. What we're going to do with that, we're going to take the left-right part of the second paradiddle. Right, left, right, right, left, and we're going to put that on your first tom. Right, we're going to put on the floor tom. Left, left, back onto the snare. So it's splitting up the left-hand part of the paradiddle.
Paradiddle, paradiddle. Yeah.
Okay,
nice.
so at that speed, it kind of doesn't sound too great, but we can do this pretty much in any subdivision.
Yep.
Yeah. So we could take it from 8th notes into 16th notes, even into 32nd notes, really. If you play the left-right part once in a bar, then we've got 8th notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and.
Yeah.
If we play the left-right part twice, then we're into 16th notes.
Yeah.
1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. If we play the left-right part 4 times, we're into 32nd notes, which now Mike's
I'm not going to count these.
going to count for.
I knew you were going to say that.
Okay, so I'll play that for you. Okay.
Easy.
Yeah. So we're 8ths into 16ths into 32nd notes.
And it's then down to you to decide what you're going to use in the song you're playing in.
That's it. But
Because,
it's the same pattern. It's
same
a
pattern,
paradiddle,
yeah.
which most of us know. It's moving the left-right part, and then it's running it through that kind of subdivision formula that you can use, and then you can come up with some really exciting fills.
But remember, use the click, use the metronome. It's a great tool. You should do it. It's going to really help you get in the accuracy of all these fills. Start slow, build it up.
Yeah. So let's play a little bit, then you can see how it works with Mike playing some bass, and we'll go from there. Here we go.
So he's going to throw it in the different subdivisions.
Yeah,
wherever
let's try.
you feel like.
Let's see. Let's see what happens.
Oh, love it. Yeah, excellent.
All right, guys, there you go. So that's the paradiddle, moving the left, right, putting it through different subdivisions, create some really nice fills. If you like these lessons, please remember just to like and subscribe. Check out drumhead.com. There's lots of content there for you. Take your time with this, as always. Work it up slowly. Have fun, enjoy, and we'll see you on the next lesson.
Cool. See you later.